Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the front SAM control module on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation right here guys. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix if something's not working with your Mercedes. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well. After that guys, if you need to replace or buy any parts, tools, we will guys share the links in the description of the video below. We can check it out and see where we get our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the front SAM control module fuses relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that first generation Mercedes GLC. What you guys need to do today, we'll be working different fuse boxes, 3 different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the driver door, and on the side of the dash right here you can see you have that cover. You go ahead, pull that cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, we have 2 fuses that control the front SAM module. That's the SAM module on your Mercedes, and we're talking about fuse 200 and fuse 201. Okay, these 2 fuses will need to be checked right here guys. Now, we're not done guys. We actually need to work in 3 more fuse boxes. The next one is on the passenger side. Now, if you come to the passenger side footwell compartment, right here on the A pillar, you see that's a cover. Go ahead, pull it out, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like that one here. Specifically here we need to check that fuse MF3. You see that fuse MF3? This is 6 fuses built in one long fuse. Each one of them is 5 amps. Check them guys. Okay. There will be a fuse for the front SAM control module there as well that you will need to check. And now under the hood guys, okay, facing the engine on the driver's side here, you remove that cover. Underneath you have another fuse box, and here you will need to check fuse 125. However guys, what we'll recommend, you may have some other options as well. In the dash, behind the glove box, deep inside the dash, you have a hidden fuse box known as prefuse box. If you open it, you have multiple mega fuses, guys. Okay, if you have problems with the SAM control module, always check these fuses, because if one of them is bad, you may have problems with the SAM control module. And you have another one for the engine compartment, like that one, where the positive jump starter terminal is located. Okay, right there. Guys, okay, let me show you what it looks like. This is the top of it. Okay, this is the side of the same fuse box. Okay, and inside you have two different kinds depending on the year, model and engine configuration. This is one of them. This is the second one that we have right here, guys. So those are the main fuses for the SAM control module. We don't have relays. The relay function practically is controlled by the computer, by the module itself. So all we have to do is check these fuses, guys. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.